What's up guys, my name is Carter Chi and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some more stuff from Type S Auto. We're going to be installing their dash cam and some more exterior lights. We're going to be heading over back to Socal Exotic Wraps to get all this installed, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes.
Yo, what is up guys? It is really loud right now. What's up, Carter?
What's up?
Are we on volume right now? It is so loud right now.
Alright guys, so like I said on the drive over here, we're going to be installing the Type S Auto dash cam and finish up the rest of the exterior lights. So not only are we going to have the sides done, we're also going to have the front and back.
Exterior lights done.
Yeah. Double block.
Double.
No, I'm kidding.
Get
Okay guys, Unicorn's telling me to do something really stupid, but since he's a bro and we're on his property, why not? Ooh, that smells good. Oh, dude, it smells so much. Hey, dude, guess what? That was only 5,000 RPM.
Stop flexing, dude.
Yeah, it stinks in here now. My bad. Okay, go for it. Ooh. Sounds good. You should just keep your exhaust like this. I said she should just keep her exhaust on like this.
Honestly?
Do it! Keep your exhaust on like this.
So, the unboxing of this,
Do you want a knife?
no, I'll come after you. I'm good.
You sure?
Good, man. Knife doesn't solve all problems.
Whoa, that got dark real quick.
Alright, so this is the kit. You've never opened this.
No, like I just got it the other day.
Oh, dang. Alright, so this is what we got. We got the camera itself. Does it have a memory card in it? Yes, it does. So it comes with a
Oh, it does.
16 gig memory card.
It's not bad.
It's actually pretty good. This build actually looks really nice.
Shout out to Type S Auto, our sponsor.
Hell yeah. Link in the description below. This is the mount for suction, and your power goes in here. Interesting. Okay, cool. Well, we'll find out. Alright, so yeah, that's what it is. So now we're going to start installing right now. So stay tuned.
Okay, so Brian's actually gonna do all the work again because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Okay,
Ooh, and this is gonna be on the Socal Exotic Wraps YouTube.
yeah, but it's all going to be, you know, filtered out.
Yeah, okay, so dang it, now I have to like censor stuff.
Oh no, I have to censor stuff.
No, I do too. I only make wholesome videos.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to fish everything in.
So yeah, if you guys want to watch a more detailed video, check out Socal Exotic Wraps YouTube. I'll post the link in the description.
Eventually it'll come out.
Eventually, depending on how long it takes you to edit.
Probably like a day and a half. Already got that in.
Oh, so that's how it works.
Yep. So I'm just gonna leave enough for now.
Yeah.
Run everything over. It's a Subaru, so it's super easy to work with this. This one goes right in here.
You know, Brian, you know what I forgot to mention?
What's up?
Socal Exotic Wraps is doing a wrap giveaway.
Oh yeah, we are. So if you own a sedan and you're looking to get your car wrapped, hit up our Socal Exotic Wraps Instagram page at Socal Exotic Wraps, and there should be a post that says a giveaway. You guys, all you just need to do is follow us, tag us in the repost with the hashtag Socal Exotic Wraps giveaway. Yeah, that one. And yeah, that's about it. We're giving away a neon yellow, satin neon yellow full car color change. So.
That's right, guys. If you guys go follow Socal Exotic Wraps, go check out their page, and they're doing a giveaway. Okay, guys. Brian is talking to his girlfriend right now.
It's okay.
They've only been talking for a couple of days, but I think it's getting serious. Actually, since Brian's working on my car, let's check out his car. Damn! So you guys see that ABG Hunter sticker there? If you guys part of Milk Tea and Motor Meats, you guys are gonna know what that is. If not, sucks. But we have a little twist on it coming on my car. Okay, so Mr. Unicorn here just finished doing the, what was it?
The install of the Dashcam.
Oh yeah. And my camera is about to die, so we're just gonna do the fronts again, like in the last video, and then that's about it. Oh yeah, then we have that surprise coming, right?
We have that surprise coming.
So I'm gonna save my battery for that. But yeah, we're gonna cut straight to the surprise.
Yeah, you wanna see?
Okay guys, so like I said earlier in the video, you guys all know what ABG Hunter is. This is something a little different. That's right guys, we are now ABG Repellents. Let's go!
He's so excited.
Okay, so seriously, huge shout out to Unicorn TL here at Socal Exotic Wraps.
AKA Brian.
Yeah, remember, they also have a giveaway for a free car wrap. All you have to do is follow them on social media, tag some friends in the comments, and live in SoCal.
The other thing is I'm actually I'm doing a giveaway with my personal account too, so head over to unicorn_TL. I'm gonna try to reach 2K and I'm gonna do a little giveaway for you guys.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.